Thursday evening, the Troy University Nutrition Club invited a certified nutritionist to talk to Troy students about food sustainability and nutrition and the importance of reducing waste.
And so if I had any advice to anyone, I would say think before you purchase. Like, do you need it? What is the impact of what you're purchasing? Can you get it in any other way?
Some main points were mentioning methods on how to take steps to reduce waste and how to pick healthier options instead of more processed foods.
I actually first became aware back in 1996. I went an entire year without purchasing anything new. So all of my clothing came from thrift stores. All of my clothing to this day is secondhand. I don't buy anything new that I don't have to buy new. Almost my entire house is antiques or thrift stores, or I found it on the side of the road and felt like it could be salvaged. So it really just requires some level of thought when it comes to what you're purchasing, whether it be food, clothing, turn your lights off. It's really you can have a huge impact by making really small changes.
Austen Minor, Troy, TrojanVision News.